Today we had a group of young adults, the Cattlemen's young leaders. They were here at the Center of Excellence to essentially experience a crash course in culinary.
So we'll break up into a couple, probably 3 teams. We'll do like a first course, a second course, and a dessert.
Our team was on the appetizer round, so we made some tostadas with flank steak and some pickled radishes. We had some fresh avocado.
Well, personally, I love cooking, so working with those chefs was a really great experience from tonight. I think that's sort of like the end of the production chain that most people kind of forget about.
It's been a pretty unique experience here to see the facilities that they have, the different education systems that they're using for educating not just Canadians but international visitors about the Canadian beef products that we have and some of the unique things that we can do with them. It's been a great experience for us with the Canadian Cattlemen's Association, the Cattlemen's Young Leaders Program, to have an opportunity to learn about beef preparation and the different ways that we can use it.
As part of our spring forum, we ended up touring Cargill yesterday morning. They took us through the whole process. So I'd actually never been through a harvest facility before, and it was actually a really reassuring experience. I feel really comfortable talking to an urban consumer about their process now and their quality controls and that sort of thing. And so I would recommend that to anyone in the beef industry, honestly. And then after that, we went to Sauter Glen and toured more of the production side of things. So this was great if you were really into the ranching side. You know, we kind of went through the whole experience, right, from production to plate on this.
I really liked learning how to grill a flank steak to get the grill marks, which was a skill that I've never learned before. So it was a really good opportunity just to bug the chefs and ask them for all their tips and tricks. And I just had like a lot of fun with him too. He was super laid back, and yeah, it was awesome. I kind of felt like I was in culinary school for a couple of hours because we even got to do like a plating presentation and let our creativity flow. So we did some plating presentations, took a few pictures, and then we did like a family style meal. So then everybody got to sit around the table, and the appetizer round, the entree round, and then the dessert round, we all got to try everyone's accomplishments, and it was delicious.
So to sit down with a group of other young leaders to be able to talk about the beef industry and eat beef that we just prepared is probably the most exciting part.
I was really impressed to see these young leaders show up, get right into it, and really deliver. Folks without classic training were able to pick up the recipes, and with their enthusiasm, with their passion for the product, they were able to build something really beautiful, very tasty. It was super impressive.
Listening to what they do here at the center, I think it's an opportunity for them to educate not just the young producers in Canada, but decision makers in other countries and people who influence food policy in other countries as to how they can use Canadian beef products and how they can broaden their understanding and the education around what are the opportunities that are available for them and what we have to offer with our Canadian beef products.